There comes the pie. Look at that.
Hey, with the availability of LAVet everywhere, do people still suffer from these stuffs? LAVet enables me to use my hands to clean myself and also keep my womanhood in excellent shape. Can you believe all of my female bank colleagues are now using LAVet?
Oh yeah?
Yes! LAVet has actually cleared up every reoccurring smells having some man's back.
LAVet restored me after 3 years of terrible genital infection. After the pharmacist recommended LAVet to me, I feel naturally pleasant all day long. This is what changed my relationship from to Henry cannot leave me alone.
Oh yeah.
A good wife, LAVet, and peace. Who can get?
I hold on to my husband tightly because of the effective LAVet feminine hygiene wash.
For bulk purchase, please call 0708 310 0002 or 0812 923 9999.